Harlem River, talk to me. Tell me what you think about Harlem River. I'm in love, 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 love.
Sorry, I was Saturday, it was in work.
Harlem River, talk to me. Where we headed now? Harlem River, I'm in love, 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 love.
Well then, I'm just doing a quick tester on this. Hello, here we are on our adventure today. Today we're going to go to Rushmere Country Park, via Stock Grove.
Harlem River, all because of you. Harlem River, swallow me. Put your hands around my neck. In Harlem River, I can't breathe. They've got the lights down now. In Harlem River, give me wings. Put my head up in the clouds. In Harlem River, all because oh, I'm nowhere now. Harlem River, tell me, is it true that in my pearl and my diamond shoes I've climbed a cloud, now I stole the moon? Harlem River, all because of you.
Here we are at Rushmere Park. See the sign there. We're just going to go in and have a little look round, see if we find somewhere to have our ham sandwiches. Ham sandwiches. Right, we're just going to focus on Lee a little bit now. He's getting a bit anxious to set off again.
Harlem River, like a diamond.
Here we are at the Three Locks, Just about to have our lunch, Lee.
Yeah, ham sandwiches and a flask of tea.
What more could you ask for on a nice sunny day like this?
That Harlem River, I ride for you.
Okay, here we are on our adventure. It's now leading us to Horwood House, which I believe is an event, weddings and a hotel place. Probably not open at the moment though. So we're going to have a look at it, film it, and we'll report back in a minute. At Horwood House, just having our pictures taken as usual. Secret garden just over there. Here we are running along the canal, just by Old Wolverton Works. Nearly at the end now of our adventure, which has been very good, very good. Lee?
Yeah, well, first decent ride out on the Turbo Levo. The only downside of this ride is we didn't have any beers. But that's all about to change at Bradville house. So
Definitely. I've got 2 Stellas glasses in the fridge and some Kronenberg 1664 waiting. Bye for now.